Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone in Settings, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You will find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a small gray gear. Tap the Settings icon once, and the main Settings menu will open with a long list of options. If Settings was already open in the background, this will just bring it to the front so you can see it. Once Settings is open, look right at the very top of the screen for your name. It will show your name and usually a small picture or initials with the words Apple ID and iCloud under it. Tap on your name once. This takes you into your Apple account area, where options that follow you across devices are grouped together. Now that you are in your Apple ID settings, look for the option called Find My. It is usually a little way down the list, under options like family sharing or similar items. The Find My line has a green radar-style icon next to it, so it stands out. Tap Find My once, and the Find My settings screen will open. A common mistake is to tap iCloud instead, so if you do not see Find My at first, gently scroll until you do. From there, on the Find My screen, tap the line that says Find My iPhone. You will see it near the top, and it may show on in smaller text on the right side. Tap directly on the words Find My iPhone, not on anything else around it. This opens a more detailed page that controls tracking and protection for this specific iPhone. Now you are on the Find My iPhone page. Here you will see a switch next to Find My iPhone, which is probably showing green. That green means it is currently turned on. Gently tap the switch one time so that it moves to the left and turns gray. When it is gray, Find My iPhone is turned off for this device. One thing to know is that turning this off also turns off the activation lock, so the phone will no longer be tied to your account if someone erases it. After you flip that switch, a prompt will appear asking for your Apple account password. This is the same password you use for the App Store and for signing into your Apple ID, not your phone passcode. Carefully type your Apple ID password into the box, making sure there are no extra spaces, since a single wrong letter will cause an error. If you mistype it, the screen will simply ask again, and nothing else will change until the correct password is entered. Once your password is entered, tap the button labeled Turn Off. It appears at the top right or bottom of that prompt and confirms that you agree to disable Find My iPhone. After you tap Turn Off, the prompt will close and you will be returned to the Find My iPhone page. The Find My iPhone switch will now stay gray, and the word Off will show next to it, which tells you the feature is no longer active on this device. If you ever want it back on later, you can return to this same screen and tap the switch again to turn it back on. You have now turned off Find My iPhone and removed activation lock for this device. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.